ChatGPT Translate is poised to redefine language barriers, offering a dedicated webpage from OpenAI that aims to put traditional translation services, like Google Translate, on notice. This innovative tool currently supports conversions across 50 languages, starting with a user-friendly text-to-text interface. What's truly exciting is OpenAI's ambitious roadmap, hinting at future capabilities like translating from voice input or even images, though these advanced features are still on the horizon. Imagine simply snapping a photo of a foreign sign and getting an instant accurate translation directly through ChatGPT. This development comes as the field of AI-powered language translation heats up, with competitors like Google also making significant strides in live translation and language learning. ChatGPT Translate goes beyond simple word-for-word conversions, offering smart prompts within the main chatbot to refine translations, making them sound more fluent or even explaining it to a child, which is incredibly powerful for diverse communication needs. For those eager to experience the next evolution in AI translation, links to try ChatGPT Translate are available right now in the video description below. This service truly leverages the full power of ChatGPT's conversational AI for nuanced and context-aware translations in 2025.